Good morning. It's Sunday morning now, and today I'm going to take you to the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This is a continuation on, because yesterday I did do some vlogs in the area of Sofia. I stopped my last vlog at getting in the hostel and getting sorted, so we did do a little walk around, so this will be added on to that. And today we're going to experience the Nevsky Cathedral. It's really spectacular. So it's about a 22-minute walk according to Google. So let's see what that's like, and if I see anything on the way, I'll pop it up. To show you this spectacular fountain. Imagine what it's like in the summertime when it's lit up. So the statuette in the middle, and then all this pipes with the water shooting out, and it's in front of this amazing building. Like I said, I'm walking towards the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. We're getting close to it, but like there's always these little gems that you spot along the way. Some building. Look at the gold inlay and sculpture at the front of the building. Pretty amazing. And this is their theater, if I can read that correctly. And then here's around the square, so we're right in front of the feature there, so pretty neat. I want to show you the roads here, all the yellow brick roads going on all the long way. And there is a story about that. Apparently they bought it all from Turkey, because Turkey was known for yellow, so they went and bought it, but apparently they don't do well in the weather conditions, like if it's icy or snowy, which does get there, so apparently it gets really slick. So the people were all upset about it, but then the government told them that it was a gift from Turkey. But then later known in the books, it was discovered that it wasn't a gift, it was actually paid for, and they were still paying for it. So a little bit of a controversy there. So look at it, it's nice. I like it, looks nice. It's just, you hear the cars drive up the, it's like a cobblestone, but they're brick laid. National Museum of Natural History. And then look at this. Wow, that's a really nice building. Pause in front of it here. I'm on the hunt for breakfast too right now. I haven't had breakfast yet. You can see the cathedral in the back over there, so we're getting close to it. Wow, it's a really nice building. So this church is from it's St. Nicholas, the Miracle Maker. So that's your man in the front of the mosaic. It's in the front. It's all gold inlaid up the spires at the top. Really spectacular building, and we'll keep on going towards our goal. Okay, as we're walking, see, it's still, the roads are paved in gold, or more likely yellow bricks. They're all over, I guess it surrounds the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. You hear the bells in the background, so they might be having a service. I don't know if we'll be able to go in yet. Might have to go in a little later, because I know you can go in. and it supposedly looks spectacular, so you have to wait and see what it looks. We'll walk on the outside of it. We'll see. See the gold domes. And I think it's the copper laid roofs. They're all turned green. This is the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. I've checked online and they have a service at 9:30. It's just almost, it's a little after 9 now. So we'll have to schedule in the afternoon to come back. It is open so you can go in and see it, and we'll see what that's like. So, okay, so it's a Bulgarian Orthodox church. Let's see if it's over. The ceremonies there. Let's see. Alexander Nevsky Pictorial Cathedral is a memorial church built with the efforts of the whole Bulgarian people in memory of thousands of Russian, Bulgarian, Ukrainian, Moldovan, Finnish, Romanian soldiers who from 1877 to 1878 laid their lives in the liberation of Bulgaria from the Ottoman Empire. So you've seen the monuments that are all around there. Still going on, so I'll come back later. So I think it's almost over. That's what those candles that they're buying and they put in the thing. So if you notice the candles that were being lit, there was one higher. Those are for people that are still alive, and then the ones that are lower, those are people that have passed away. So couldn't really speak in that because there's still going on in there. So, but it was very beautiful, very pretty. Definitely worth the visit if you're in Bulgaria and Sofia.